Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. Today, I thought, it would be really appropriate to start our week, our brand new week, with a check in to see how we're doing emotionally. And in order for us to see how we're doing emotionally, we have to reflect about the different feelings that we could possibly be feeling. So, Ms. Chavez is going to give us some examples, and then what we're going to do is we're all going to be able to do a check-in with ourselves emotionally. And this is something all of us can do because it's going to be a silent activity. You're just going to be using your hand, and it's something that doesn't require writing, it doesn't require talking, nothing. It's just for yourself to be able to check in and kind of see how you're doing emotionally. Now, if you're in my class, you know exactly what I'm talking about. We do this every morning. But I think it's really important that because we are not able to meet in person face to face, that we still have these conversations and we still are making sure that we are putting our emotions as a priority. And it's very important that we are checking in with ourselves. So I'm going to give you some examples of feelings that you might be feeling to kind of help that thinking process that you're going to do. So one emotion that you might be feeling is, and I'm going to draw them. I'm not a very good artist, but I'm going to try my best, is you might be feeling happy. You might wake up on the right side of the bed. You're happy. It's a brand new week. So that might be a feeling that you're feeling. Some of us might be feeling kind of tired. Now, that's my best drawing of someone who's yawning, like, and he has the sleep symbols. So some of us might be waking up tired. That's definitely the feeling that I felt this morning. I had to wake up super early so I could get my work done. So that is a feeling that you could be feeling. Another one that you could be feeling is you might be feeling a little frustrated, angry, or upset, because maybe when you wake up first thing in the morning, you have to do some chores or you have to do your homework, and that doesn't make you feel the best. And that's okay to have that feeling. Another feeling that you might have, and we're just going to put this, we'll draw some little eyebrows to kind of show that this person, they're not happy, but they're not sad. They're just kind of like, we'll do like a little kind of half smile. And that just means I'm not feeling angry. I'm not feeling too happy. I'm okay. There's nothing wrong. And that's okay to feel that way as well. So now that we've recognized and identified some of those emotions that maybe we're feeling, it's important to rate how we're feeling. So in my classroom, we do what's called a temperature gauge, and it's silent. So I want you to think, if you are at the very top, we'll put this top. If you're at the very top, that means you are the happiest, you are feeling great, you are ready to rock and roll. So we'll put a huge smiley face at the top. Now, the further down you go is how your emotions might be changing. So maybe right in the middle of the temperature gauge would be this, like, I'm just feeling okay, I'm not happy, I'm not frustrated, I'm just feeling content. So maybe I'll draw him right there with his little eyebrows and his little half smile. Oh my goodness, my smiley faces are getting worse. So that would be the middle. You're just feeling content. Now the bottom is when you need a lot of support from adults. That might be when you are starting to feel really tired, really frustrated, really angry. And that would be at the bottom. So let me write bottom. And then I will draw those different smiley faces. So the angry one, and then also the tired one. Oh my goodness, my smiley faces are getting way worse. It's okay, I'm trying my best at my drawings. So if you can see that, that is the temperature gauge. Now, that is how you are going to use your hand to kind of identify how you're feeling. So today, if I'm feeling happy and I woke up in a great mood, my hand is going to be all the way up to the top of my head. Now, if I know Miss Chavez woke up really tired today, my hand's gonna be a little bit lower. And that's a great way for you to just identify how you're feeling. So let me give you an example. I'm gonna show you exactly how I would rate my morning. And remember, I told you guys I felt super tired when I woke up. I wasn't feeling the best. I kind of feel a little bit sick, and I know that I probably didn't get enough rest last night. I was up late cleaning, so this morning I'm not feeling my best. So I'm gonna be really honest and say that I'm feeling about right here. And look, I don't even have to explain it. I'm just explaining it to you guys, but at home, all you guys have to do is choose where you're at, and that's it. Now, you know what the amazing part about our emotions and feelings is? You can change all throughout the day. As soon as I started making this video, I started going up, 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 because I love teaching. I love being able to share things with you guys. And so that makes me happy, and it makes me start going up. But, later today, I might have something that, frustrates me, and that's okay. Our emotions are constantly changing. The most important thing that I want you guys to gain from this is that I just want you to be aware of how you're feeling and be able to identify where you're at on that scale. So that's something I want you to check in this morning, and you can do it with an adult in your household. And it's a great way to share with the people in your home, how you're doing. And throughout the day, it's something I really want you to practice. If you start getting really frustrated with something, show that you're down here and show that you are at a lower level, on that scale, and you need maybe a little bit more support. All right, so I hope this helps you, and I would love for you guys to practice it at home. And if you're in my class, I really, really want you to practice this because it's very important, and you guys are very familiar with it. If this is something that's new to you, it's gonna kind of feel a little awkward at first, but I would love for you to give it a try. And I will see you guys